please welcome Chris the Butcher and friends.
Hello, my chickadees, and welcome back to another action-packed episode of Chris the Butcher and friends. Let's just slide in, get me gizzard, press like, big thumbs up, make sure you press that like button, a thumb.
He likes his burgers. Oh yeah.
That is my baked potato burger. That is a thing of beauty. It is monstrous. Smoked, streaky bacon.
He swears a bit.
No, how the and it's still mad. I'm not down me. I want to get that. Oh yeah. And subscribe.
So that we're Chris the Butcher and friends. A good friend of mine, fellow Northern lad. Subscribe to his channel, great channel, a bit of fun. He loves his burgers, and if you don't mind a bit of swearing, subscribe to his channel. So this recipe is simple, delicious, sausages, bratwurst, on some saffron rice, with some onion jam. Like I said, very simple, but so good. Anyway, sit back, relax, and enjoy. Oh, I forgot, check out my app, check out Amazon, Instagram, Twitter, Facebook, and click on that little bell thingy to be notified, because if you don't know if I'm uploading or anything. So do that. Anyway, again, thanks guys. First, add hot water to saffron and soak for 30 minutes. Next, chop onion and garlic. Add olive oil to a pan, followed by onions and garlic and a pinch of salt. Now sweat for 10 minutes. Add rice and cook for 2 minutes. Add saffron, followed by stock. Stir, now bring to a boil, then simmer. Cover and cook until the stock is absorbed and the rice is tender. When the rice is cooked, add sliced green onion and chopped cilantro. Season to taste. Gently stir and keep warm. For the onion jam, slice onions, add olive oil to a pan, add the onions, followed by garlic. Now cook the onions until soft. When soft, add sugar, balsamic vinegar and Worcestershire sauce. Stir, now cook until the liquid has evaporated. Transfer to a bowl and put to one side. For this recipe, I'm using some good quality bratwurst. Add vegetable oil to a hot pan, add the sausages and brown. Transfer to a roasting tray. Now place in the oven and cook. So there you have it, sausages on saffron rice with onion jam. So simple, so delicious. Give it a go. I've got to tuck into this. Oh. Some of that onion jam. Oh yeah. That is beautiful. These sausages are beautiful. Some people don't like saffron. Some people don't, and some people do. Quite a lot of them don't, but it's got a wonderful taste. And it's really good with rice.